Today's video is using the White's TDI SL and the Minor John Design TDI folded mono coil 5x9. My settings today are the gain at max, and I was really surprised that this coil would allow a maximum gain, but no wobble, completely steady, threshold hum, ground balance set to off, pulse delay 10, conductivity switch to off. I'll just give you an idea about the US nickel. But mainly for today, the test is going to be on gold pickers. My first one here is a 10 grain. I hope you can see this. I have this 10 grain picker taped to the end of a wooden ruler to prevent any interference from my hand. Let's see the distance we get. About 2.5 inches. Good solid at 2 inches. Next is a 4.8 grain. This particular picker has a little more surface area, but you'll get a little more air test distance. A solid 3 inches, maybe 3 1/4, close to 3 1/2. And that's on the 4.8 grain. The next one is a lot smaller, a little chunkier piece, but smaller. It's a 4.1 grain, very small. And all this is showing a demonstration of what you could expect out in the field. Audio change at about 1 inch. Not bad, but this is not very big. And this was with ground balance to off. Now I'm going to change the ground balance to what I usually run in, is about 7.5. Starting to get a little bit of interference here with that particular setting. I don't understand why, but here's a 4.1 grain. That's the same distance. 4.8 grain. I might have misspoke. This one here was 4.1. That's the smallest one I have. 4.8 grain. That was the one that has a little more surface area to it. Actually, I feel like I'm getting a better air to target distance from the coil with the ground balance set to 7.5. This one here is the 10 grain chunky type picker. About 3 inches. And then follow right in with the US nickel. We'll move the camera out just a little bit. I can easily gain 10 inches on this. On the US nickel, about 10 inches. But there you have it. White's TDI SL with a 5x9 folded mono coil.